Pavèz, we carry a variety of different applications for eyebrows. So we carry eyebrow powders and we also carry eyebrow pencils as well. So I'm going to show you how best to apply and which colors to use for which skin type. So first of all, I'm going to look at the brown eyebrow powder and also the Taupe eyebrow pencil. Now these are made from exactly the same pigments, so they're exactly the same colors. So either or work brilliantly. So with a pencil, obviously you can just apply with strokes on the eyebrow. Now this, I put eyebrow pencil and also eyebrow powder already on this side. This side has got nothing on the eyebrows. For the powder, how you apply that is, first of all, you will need a brush, and we've got one with a slanted edge here which we sell, and this is perfect for applying eyebrow powder as well as eyebrow liner. So you just turn the pad upside down, and what you'll have in the lid is enough for the eyebrows. Now this color is perfectly, this is the lightest that we carry, it's called Taupe in the eyebrow pencil, and it's perfect for people who have blonde hair or people who have gray hair. It's got a slightly ashy look, it's people who have a cool undertone to their skin as well. So this is what I tend to use for a day eye makeup. So to apply it, simply you simply put little tiny strokes along the eyebrow, not one big line. And of course, I have very thin, sparse eyebrows, but you'll see how it's already starting to fill in. Now you could use just the eyebrow powder, or you could use both even, or just the eyebrow pencil, or both. So I'm going to do the eyebrow pencil now. So typically on any day, this is the eyebrow pencil or eyebrow powder I will use, and I use both sometimes. It all depends on my mood. Now if I wanted to have more dramatic, so for example, I've got a little bit more makeup on, eye makeup on than I normally have, so I would like my eyebrow to be a little bit stronger. Now we have two darker shades of eyebrow powder. So we have a neutral brown, which is a reddish tinge to it and works best with people who have a warm undertone. And then we have a dark brown powder, which I would consider more of a neutral. So this is the color I'm going to use. And this goes with our Brunette eyebrow pencil. So both of these work brilliantly. So again, if I was going to use the powder, I would apply it exactly the same way with the brush. If I was going to use the pencil, and I'm just going to use the pencil for now, and I make it a little bit thicker as well. So that's a quick look there. Now there is another option as well. We carry these brown cake mascaras, and this works wonderfully well again as for the eyebrows. And it's very similar to the dark eyebrows. So to use this, it comes with a wetting agent that we use for our mascara. You just need to put a drop in. Use your brush again with a slanted edge. I just mix it in. And then got a little bit of a waterproofing agent in the wetting agent. So this is kind of useful. And then just apply it. And of course you can apply it thicker or whenever. Don't go too far out, don't go down either. You want the face to always look like it's going upwards. So there's three methods. You can use eyebrow powder, you can use the eyebrow pencil, or you could use the brown cake mascara. And if you're blonde, I would honestly say if you're graying or blonde, or you've got very sparse eyelashes, for a more natural look, I would go with either the Taupe eyebrow pencil or the brown eyebrow powder. And if you have a warmer tone to your skin, a warm undertone, which means you might be a redhead, then I would suggest you use the neutral brown. And if you want a more dramatic look, then use the dark brown eyebrow powder, or the Brunette eyebrow pencil, or the brown cake mascara. So 3 methods, and you just take your pick. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.